We may be hearing soon of a major advance on the prevention of one type of cancer. A new study reveals researchers have identified a microscopic culprit that may have been responsible for increases in colorectal cancer in young adults. Correspondent Jonathan Sari tells us about it tonight.
Once considered an old person's disease, colorectal cancer now kills more than 3,700 young adults in the U.S. each year. It threatens to become the leading cause of cancer-related death in people under 50 by the end of the decade, unless researchers can solve the medical mystery behind the trend. Today, a peer-reviewed study published in the journal Nature finds that many of these younger patients experienced DNA damage in early childhood from a bacterial toxin called colibactin.
If you get one of those mutations at age 5, then you're 20 to 30 years ahead of schedule for getting colorectal cancer.
Researchers now want to find out why increasing numbers of children, especially in the U.S. and other industrialized countries, are acquiring these toxin-producing gut bacteria. Outside the study, oncologists have long warned of links between cancer and environmental factors such as obesity and ultra-processed foods.
There's been an association between a Western-style diet and increased risk of colorectal cancer. Smoking has also been associated with it.
Although identifying and mitigating the exact cause of the childhood bacterial infections may take several years, the study's authors are optimistic non-invasive diagnostic tests can be developed in the short term to identify young people who are at risk.
We want to be able to have something to screen these people to make sure that if they were to develop cancer, it's caught early and we can intervene, because most of these cancers in young adults, we catch them way too late.
And sadly, I know this through personal experience. I lost my own brother to colon cancer just 2 years before he would have been due for his first routine colonoscopy. Obviously, it would be impractical and costly to prescribe the procedure for every healthy young adult in the U.S. But with this study, doctors may be closer to identifying patients who need early screening. Brett?
Jonathan, sorry for your loss, and thanks for sharing that.
My pleasure.